Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the biggest nuisance in portrait photography, flyaway hairs. All right, guys, let's jump in. First thing we need to do is duplicate our layer. We're going to do that by hitting Command J. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here to select. We want to select our subject. So there's our selection. Now we need to expand it. So let's go to Select. Let's go to Modify, Expand, and we're going to need a pretty large amount based on the amount of flyaways here. So I'm going to set this to, let's go 180. And there it is. Now, we've got everything selected. If for whatever reason you don't have everything, you can zoom in. As you can see, like right here, you can hit L for the lasso tool, hold Shift, and then just go around like that. Now, if you have something like this, you could just hold Shift again, circle it, and then that'll go away. So you're going to want to do this for your whole image and just double check to make sure you've got all the flyaway hairs that you want to get rid of selected. We're going to go up here to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and there we go. Okay, once we've removed our subject from the background, it hasn't done a perfect job, but good enough for what we need to accomplish here. You're going to want to create a layer mask. Okay, and we want to create a black layer mask. And now we're simply going to select a brush. We want it to be white because, again, we've got the black mask. We can zoom in here and just start going around. Now, you can select Control Option, press to the right, and that'll increase the size of your brush. Left will decrease it. Up will soften it, and down will harden it. So as you can see, hardness right now at 100%. I'm going to go to about 85% on the hardness, right about there. And now we're just going to paint in. You don't want to get rid of everything, or else it's going to start looking like a helmet head. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fast forward so we can see what the before and after looks like. Okay, here's where our photo looks like before the edit. And particularly take a look around the fingers here and after. Before, after. If you got something out of this video, then I suggest you save it so you can refer back to it later. As always, you can follow or subscribe for more content just like this.